Designing a wooden counter for shops, offices, and schools involves combining functionality, durability, and aesthetics appeal. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the icon. This video share to your friends, family members. Here are several ideas tutorials for each setting, ensuring the counter meets space needs while enhancing the overall environment. In retail shops, counters are crucial for sales and transitions to customer interactions. A well-designed wooden counter can add warmth and charm to your store, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Using reclaimed wood for counter brings a rustic, eco-friendly appeal. This design can feature a natural weathered look that adds character to the top of shop. No cramped storage, a sleek minimalist wooden counter with a clean lines fits well in contemporary retail settings. Offer high quality hardwood like oak or maple with a smooth finish. Integrate built-in lighting for highlight products and creating a spacious look. Combine functionality with aesthetics by designing a counter that doubles as a display case. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Use glass panels to showcase features products while maintaining the durability of wooden structure. This design maximizes space and draws customer attention to key items. In offices, counters often serve as reception desks or meeting points, requiring a professional yet involving design. A wooden reception desk with a polished finish creates a strong first impression. Consider a good design to maximize space and provide a welcoming feel. Add features like built-in cable magnet management and lockable storage for efficiency. Standing workshops and have become popular in modern offices. Design wooden counter at a standing height with ample workplace and storage underneath. This promotes ergonomic working condition and floor-based environment. A modular wooden desk system allows flexibility in office layout. Use individual wooden modulars that can be reorganized as needed. This design ideal for dynamic workplaces can be customized with drawers and shelves for additional storage. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more these ideas. Wooden counters can design a suite specific needs, shops, office and schools. Thanks for watching.